One.
Hi, we're going to do a little demonstration on our spinning composter. These are food grade barrels that we get from a food importer in Tampa. The sweet smell of pepperoncinis in there. So we make a stand for them, make it very easy to spin. We punch some holes in the composter. What we would do then is you need four things to make compost. You need nitrogen, carbon, water, and air. So nitrogen is going to be your green waste, your grass clippings, all your green leaves and things that you take out of your garden. So that's nitrogen. Your food waste is also going to be nitrogen. Your manures will be nitrogen. And on the other end of the spectrum is the carbon. It's all your brown stuff. So your dead leaves, your twigs. You want to make this as small as possible so that it breaks down easier. So the equal proportions that you want to put in here, or the proportions you want to put in here, are about 50% carbon, all your brown waste, and about 50% nitrogen, your green waste and your food. So as you add food to this, for example, if you mow your lawn, you put your grass clippings in there, and then you want to put your fruits, your vegetables, your breads, and all your food waste in there. Try to keep that blend of 50-50 between the carbon and nitrogen. Here's another nitrogen. This is wheatgrass. So we're going to toss that in there as well. Now what you want to add, those are two of the four elements. You got carbon and nitrogen in there. You want to add your water. So you're going to take your hose outside and spray this down, get it nice and moist. And now your air, your oxygen, is going to be, as you spin the composter, you're going to get as much oxygen as you need. So then you take your top and put it back on. And you're going to spin this probably about 4 or 5 times every time you add food. If you want to accelerate this process, what you'll do is you'll actually spin it every day, even between the times that you put food in. You put food in as often as you want, once a week, once a day, whatever your needs are. We make 3 different size composters. This is our medium size one. This is 41 gallon. We make a 30 gallon and a 58 gallon. They all function the same way. The stand is basically the same. The size is always different. So as you can see, you're going to get great aeration by turning this composter like that, but you're also getting good mixture. The bar across the center knocks the product as it spins around, so that you're going to get a very good aeration and mixture both. Composting in this method, as opposed to a pitchfork in the backyard, obviously is much easier, number one, and much faster because you have great aeration and mixture of your product. You'll probably get your compost out of here in anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks. If you were to make a batch and want to do it in 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, what you would do is you'd fill it up once and you'd keep it moist and you'd agitate it or turn it every day, at least 5 or 6 times. And then you can start taking the composted material out after 2 to 3 weeks. Generally, it's going to take around 6 weeks, and that's what we recommend to people. Is keep adding the composted material in there, let it go for 6 weeks, turn it, and pull out that material which is most composted or decomposed, put it in your garden bed, and then you're ready to start using your compost. The other thing that's good about this unit is that it's varmint-proof. You're not going to have to worry about your squirrels and your rats and other things getting in here. It's a heavy-duty plastic that they can't chew through, and it makes your composting situation a lot cleaner and a lot easier to use.